Alright, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2011 Chevy Impala LT. This is a 3.5 V6 and we're doing a high pressure power steering line. This is the part right here, part number 92271. I already did the power steering pump on this. If you want to know how that's done and how to take it off and everything, click the link in the description. But I'm gonna jump onto this power steering line. This is the high pressure. I'll replace that one. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
So I had to replace the pump on this again. It's the second time. The bearing just loose up in here. The pulley was wiggling and popped off the belt. So we'll put another one on, install it. Alright, we got it in the air. Front wheels off the ground. Jack stands on both sides. We're gonna get up under here. Alright, we got a lot of leaks going on, like oil and power steering. But this is what we're looking at here. Alright, so we're gonna look from the passenger side. That line right there is our line. We follow it back. That one right there, and it's right there, that nut, that bolt. But I'm probably gonna get it from the top. So this is the top. I want to see if I can get it from up here. Should be able to. See, we got an 18mm wrench on it. Broke that free. Alright, we got it loose. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Alright, we're back up under here, passenger side. Now, this is the line. This is what I realized. Get it here. This is the subframe right here. Now, in order to back this out, we're gonna have to lower the subframe in the rear. Both sides. Lower it and make a gap right in between. Lower it and make a gap right in between here so it can slide out in between here. Alright, that's our two bolts. They are 21 mil, and that's gonna lower that back in. Alright, see, now we got room. You can drop the subframe from the beginning and go to work. See, you got the connectors right there. It's easier access to gain too. There's a lot more room that way, but see, I got it from the top. So we're gonna pull this out and get the whole thing out. Alright, that's it. All right, we got new gaskets they give you. I went ahead and put those on the ends. And we just gonna go back in reverse order, same way. All right, that's the line. It's hooked up tight. Got it routed back around here. Going up. All right, so you want to always make sure you got a jack stand or a jack up under here to support the subframe from coming down, because it will go down lower and come out of the rack or the gear. Mine came out, so I'm gonna have to guide it back in there. All right, we're gonna hook up our pump and that line there and get it going. All right, the new hose is installed. Go ahead and put that belt on. All right, we got the belt on. Need to clean up some of this fluid, but I'm gonna go ahead and put everything else back together at the bottom, and we're good to go, man. You want to bleed the air out the system, keep the wheels off the ground, the front wheels, and turn the wheel back and forth to bleed the air out, left and right.